The ball was nestled under some straw in the third truck from the van. "We found it!" cried a player. "We're sorry," sighed the driver. "Oh, you couldn't help it," replied the player. "Now we must get back quickly." "You'll be lucky," said the driver. Caroline looks worn out. And she was. The driver spoke to the station master and the signalman, and they all agreed a plan. Soon, they had rolled Caroline onto a flat truck with a brake van coupled behind. The players crowded inside, and Stepney pulled the train back to the playing field. Everyone enjoyed watching the game. Even Caroline was pleased. She doesn't think trains silly now. "They have their uses," she says. "They can save the wear on a poor car's wheels."